Morning, guys. Well, we're back at it. It is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful day. Doesn't feel as cold as I was thinking. It was 0 degrees when we left the house, and now the truck's at 7 degrees. But it's definitely probably I think this is the coldest hunt we'll do. Fortunately, there's not much wind, which probably is why it doesn't feel as cold. But yeah, we came out yesterday. We were just out for a little bit. It's just so hard trekking in the snow, and we ended up bumping one group of birds, so didn't have a shot opportunity for that. But yeah, one thing I noticed is that my shotgun bolt group is frozen, so I got to try to work that. Yeah, because it's not cycling right now, so. Fortunately, I don't have oil with me. I don't want to use water because that's probably just going to freeze again. So I'm just going to have to sit here and warm it up and see if I can get it working. But yeah, we're just going to check a couple old spots and hopefully we'll get on some birds today. Definitely noticed that the snow does change their pattern, so I've been finding them more, or think I've been finding them more. I'm looking more in those rocky areas and bushes and groups of vegetation. Obviously not just out in the open, but yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we'll get on some birds. See you in a bit. She was running and then she stopped. Good girl. Good girl, Ember. Okay, let's go. Wow, well, she was coming down and she did a hard stop and was smelling, and then she totally caught this one. Come here. Yeah. She totally caught this one by surprise and just got it. Wow. Poor little fella. Yeah, no, she was running down and then just suddenly stopped, went back up, and was looking, and then all of a sudden was on top of this little guy and just totally caught it. Good girl, Ember. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, go. Go find some more. Well, not what you want out of a bird dog, but hey, definitely add one to the bag. Ember, go. Go see if there's any more. Yeah, because that one single spooked, and I was thinking, like, really? There's only one? We'll see if we can't find some more. Looks like we found a nice little bedding area. Definitely in south facing, so it gets the sun most of the day. One there is a small one right there. Whatever point is about 80 yards that way. Let's see what we got. That's my book. Good Lord, they went far. Okay. Ah, man. Well, that was good though, because we were heading that way and all of a sudden she beelined this way. And then I got the point alert, but good girl. Couldn't get to her fast enough. I wonder if there's more. Good girl. Whoa! Whoop! Whoa! Hey guys, well, Ember's found, I think she just found some quail. Fetch! Good girl. Yep, yep. Fetch. Hey, fetch. Fetch. Wow. Yeah, we found some quail up here. Huh. They're so much smaller compared to chukar. But I did not expect to see them up this high where the chukar usually hang out. But I was going down and all of a sudden Ember went on point. Right there, I was like, what? And then one bird flew that way. And then one was in the tree. I'm like, oh man, that's the Tweety bird. And I was like, well, maybe it's quail. I've never seen chukar or hun go into trees or bushes like that, but quail definitely do. And then it flew this way, and I swung over and I shot it, and that's where Ember got it. So yeah, anyways, we're about to wrap up. We're gonna go down and see if we can get some more quail. Alright, let's see if we can find some quail. And that. Oh man. Hey guys. Well, we're almost back to the truck. So that last clip I kind of had to stop the recording. Apparently I was walking through those trees right on top of a little stream, which was partially frozen, and then I broke through. I'm actually trying to figure out if I can cross this without getting too wet. But yeah, so anyways, let's see. And ooh, made it, sweet. But yeah, today was a beautiful day. Nobody else was out. We did get on, I don't know, what, 3 or 4 groups of chucker, and they just weren't cooperating, or Ember was a little wild. She wasn't as steady today. But then those last 2 birds ended up bagging the quail, which again we don't really go for, so that was a nice little treat. But I think that's a wrap for this hunting weekend. And yeah, we got a couple more weekends left, and then we're done for the year. So hope you guys are having better success than we are, at least today, and I will see you in a bit. Good girl, go find him. Good girl, go find him. Seeing a lot of tracks right here. Ground's been disturbed. Probably been feeding. Okay. How am I having another point? 110 yards out. There's a slight breeze coming towards me. About 90 yards now. Oh, it's so hard. And it's wet snow. $80 just dead ahead. I got 2. Good girl, Fetch. Good girl, Fetch. Good girl, here. Huns, we haven't seen Huns in a while. Good girl, Ember, here, here. Good girl, Ember, fine. We have not seen Huns in a while. That was great. Good girl! Here! Good girl, hey, hi! Come on! Come on! Good girl, thank you! Good girl! Bird number 2. That was great. So, I actually had to buzz Ember because she wanted to move to where she could see them, and I didn't want that. So, we've been having trouble with her steadiness in the snow. So, it was definitely nice to have a line of sight and be able to just correct her in the moment. Probably one of the reasons we love coming out. Not only is it just fun and hard work going for Chucker and Huns, but it's just, I like the open country. It's just, it's more our style. But that was great. I did want to thank YouTube. Actually, I've received a couple comments on trying to, mounting my shotgun from the high ready, and I'm still working on it. Oh, yeah, they were all hanging out right here. But no, I'm still working on it, and that one actually worked pretty well. So I think with a little more practice, I'll have it down. So thank you to those who have given that advice, and yeah, so I'm hopeful it'll help me bag more birds, as one guy said. All right, we'll keep going. Good girl, Ember. We've found a couple spots like this now. Definitely evidence of birds. She's been looking for a while. I'm gonna head this way just to see, but we're going that way, so we'll see. Whoa, that was deep.